Imagine a world where your income grows while you sleep. No, this isn't some far-fetched dream, it's happening right now with TikTok automation. And it's changing lives faster than anyone could have predicted. You've seen the headlines, heard the stories, but what if I told you that this is something you can do too? In this video, I'm going to break down the entire process, showing you exactly how people like Musa have mastered this AI-driven business to rake in serious cash. But here's the twist. This isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme. It's a step-by-step roadmap that anyone can follow, even if you've never touched a TikTok account before. We're talking about a business opportunity that can transform your life if you're ready to take the plunge. I'll be revealing every detail, from the basics to the advanced tactics. Stick with me, because what you're about to learn could be the key to unlocking financial freedom. And trust me, you won't want to miss a single step of this journey. Let's get started. But before we start, make sure you've subscribed to our channel. TikTok automation is revolutionizing how we think about social media and money. And no, you don't need to be a tech guru or a social media star to get in on this. In fact, you can start today with just your phone and a little bit of know-how. Alright, first things first, what exactly is TikTok automation? And why should you care? TikTok automation is essentially the use of AI and software tools to manage, grow, and monetize a TikTok account without having to be glued to your phone 24/7. Think of it like having a personal assistant who handles all the boring stuff, posting, liking, commenting, so you can focus on the big picture making money. Now, I know what you're thinking, but isn't TikTok just for kids? Not anymore. TikTok has grown up, and so has its audience. We're talking over 1 billion users worldwide, with everyone from teenagers to CEOs scrolling through their feeds daily. And that's where the opportunity lies. TikTok's algorithm is designed to push content that gets engagement, likes, shares, comments, and when you automate this process, you're essentially hacking the system to make sure your content gets seen by as many people as possible. Let's talk about Musa for a second. He's not some tech genius or social media star. He's just a guy who figured out how to use TikTok automation to grow his account to millions of followers, all while making serious cash on the side. And he's not alone. There are countless others who are using this strategy to build massive followings and turn their TikTok accounts into money-making machines. But here's the thing, you don't need to have a massive following to start making money. With TikTok automation, you can start small and scale up. The AI handles the heavy lifting, so you can focus on creating content that resonates with your audience and watch as your follower count and bank accounts start to grow. So why is this such a big deal? Because TikTok is the Wild West of social media right now. It's a platform that's still relatively new, but growing like crazy. And that means there's a huge opportunity for those who get in early. Here's a stat that'll blow your mind. TikTok is the most downloaded app in the world, with over 3 billion downloads. And it's not just kids using it. TikTok's user base spans all age groups, with more and more adults joining every day. And the best part, TikTok's algorithm is designed to surface content from accounts that are engaging, regardless of how many followers they have. That means you don't need to be a Kardashian to get your content seen. But here's the thing most people don't realize. TikTok automation isn't just about growing followers. It's about turning those followers into dollars. We're talking brand deals, affiliate marketing, selling your own products, you name it. TikTok is a goldmine for monetization, and automation is the key to unlocking it. Think about it, with automation, you can have AI posting content at peak times, engaging with followers, even sliding into DMs to close deals, all while you're off doing other things, like living your life. This isn't just about making money, it's about creating a business that works for you, not the other way around. And don't just take my word for it. Look at the numbers. TikTok influencers can make anywhere from $200 to $20,000 per post, depending on their follower count and engagement. And with automation, you can scale your account to those kinds of numbers faster than you ever could manually. Now, I know this all sounds great in theory, but you're probably wondering how to actually get started. Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's a step-by-step roadmap to building your TikTok automation business from the ground up. Step 1. Setting up the basics. First things first, you need the right tools. You'll need a decent smartphone, preferably one with a good camera, a TikTok account, and an automation tool like Jarvee or Ingramer. These tools will handle everything from posting content to interacting with followers, so you don't have to. Next, you need to pick a niche. This is crucial. Your niche is your identity on TikTok. It's what makes you stand out from the millions of other users. It could be anything from fitness to fashion to finance. Just pick something you're passionate about or have some knowledge in. The more specific, the better. Step 2. Creating engaging content. This is where the magic happens. You need to create content that resonates with your audience. The good news? TikTok's algorithm is designed to promote content that gets engagement, likes, comments, shares, so focus on creating content that's interesting, entertaining, or informative. And don't worry if you're not a natural-born content creator. With automation tools, you can schedule posts in advance, so you can create a week's worth of content in one sitting. Plus, you can use AI tools to help with things like video editing, captioning, and even content ideas. Step 3. Growing your account. Once you've got some content up, it's time to grow your account. This is where automation really shines. Your tool will help you gain followers by liking, commenting, and following other accounts in your niche. It's like having a team of social media managers working for you around the clock. But don't just rely on automation. Engage with your followers personally when you can. Reply to comments, ask questions, and build a community around your content. This will not only help you grow faster, but also build a loyal fan base that will support you in the long run. Step 4. Monetizing your content. Now, the part you've been waiting for, making money. There are several ways to monetize your TikTok account. You can partner with brands for sponsored posts, join TikTok's Creator Fund, or sell your own products or services. The key is to be strategic. Don't just throw up random ads or promotions. Make sure your monetization strategy aligns with your brand and provides value to your followers. This will not only help you make more money, but also build trust with your audience. Now, let's be real. Starting any business has its challenges, and TikTok automation is no different. But the good news is that most of the mistakes people make are totally avoidable. Here are some common pitfalls and how to steer clear of them. First up, don't try to automate everything. Yes, automation is amazing, but it's not a substitute for human connection. Make sure you're still engaging with your followers in a genuine way. Automation should enhance your efforts, not replace them. Another big mistake? Going too broad with your niche. Remember, TikTok is all about finding your tribe. If you try to appeal to everyone, you'll end up appealing to no one. Stay focused on your niche and let your content speak to a specific audience. Let's hit you with some hard facts. TikTok has over 1 billion monthly active users, and it's growing every day. Accounts with even a small following can earn significant income. One study found that influencers with 10,000 to 50,000 followers can earn up to $500 per post. According to a recent survey, 75% of TikTok users said they discover new products and brands on the platform, which means there's a huge opportunity for monetization. And if you need more proof, just look at the success stories. Nusa, for example, started with 0 followers and now makes a full-time income through TikTok automation. His secret? Consistency, creativity, and a little help from AI. These aren't just numbers, they're a roadmap to your potential success. And if they can do it, so can you. So we've covered a lot today, but here's the bottom line: TikTok automation is a game changer. It's a way to build a business, make money, and gain freedom, all while leveraging one of the most powerful social media platforms out there. But remember, the key to success is action. Watching this video is a great start, but it's what you do next that matters. So here's my challenge to you: take what you've learned today and put it into practice. Set up your TikTok account, start creating content, and explore the world of automation. And most importantly, stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who could benefit from this information. And drop a comment below with any questions or thoughts. You know I'm always here to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.